Hello my friends, how are you? How are you feeling? Have a good news? What the weather? Sunshine? No sunshine. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go. So, today I have Toyota. I received it today or yesterday, no matter. Look, this one. Okay, it's not working. Not working. Pick. No, neutral. I have neutral. Okay. So what most people do in this situation? You have car, it's not working, neutral is flashing. The people start to do learning. And what happened? The neutral disappear, no trouble code. Why? Why it's happened? Because when you start do learning, it clear all parameters. And in proceed of learning, it record each parameter for first gear, for second gear, third gear with the clutch actuator, okay? But you still have a problem, and you start do learning without resolving this problem. And it's not start the learning, and it's no data. So it start cleared all parameters, all data, and has no new data. And after that, he just don't know where it must be, where the gears must be, where the clutch must be. He just don't know. And he don't show in the neutral, he don't give you some trouble code. Because he just don't know. Because why? Because you don't resolve the problem and start do learning. So don't do the learning before you resolve the problem. If you sure you resolve the problem, if you check it, okay, start to do learning. Before, don't do it. Okay? Yes. It's not working. So first of all, I need to check the trouble code. Before I do something, need to know what is the trouble code. And you must erase it. Maybe it's old, maybe it's in history. Clear. And now I don't have trouble code. Yes? Trouble code. No trouble code. Okay. So I received the car without trouble code. What to do? But it's not working. So need to erase it and do this again. We need the trouble code. If the car has some problem, must be trouble code. No way that is no trouble code. You see? And still don't has. Okay, what I will do, I'm turn off the switch, waiting. Turn on the switch and do this again. Reverse, plus minus, reverse, until I have the trouble code. Okay, no trouble code. Yes? No trouble code. Oh, yes, I got it. Okay. Let's do it. Let's erase the trouble code. part exchange. I need step 3, I don't need step 1. I will choose select all, you know. Next. And now, when I push the next, what will happen with transmission control module? The computer will erase all data, all data, all parameters about gears, clutch. And when we will turn on the switch, it will record, it must to start to do new learning and will record new parameters about first gear, second gear, clutch position. But if it not happens, it will no record and will no neutral, will no trouble code. Look at this. So I push the next, click the next, turn the ignition switch off and next. Okay. Now from this moment it's no matter what they say this computer. I'm waiting. Click. Yes. There. It's now. Now I will turn on the switch and it will start to learn. And you will see how it happens. First step, he pushed the clutch and start to engage the gears. And you will hear, you will see that it pushed the clutch and try to engage some of gears. No, I just know, I did it before, okay? You will hear the same noise, like click, click, click. What it mean? It try to engage one of gear and no luck. It trying again, no luck. The learning stop and fouled. Look at this. I'm going to turn on the switch. And stop. You heard it? It was same noise. Click, 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 click. It no luck to engage some of gears. No luck. And after that, we have no neutral. You see, it's no data. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's no parameters. He just don't know where it must be. First gear, second gear, third gear. Clutch position. Don't know. And this is the reason why it's no neutral. You see, current gear position unset. He don't know. And we don't have a neutral. And no trouble code. How he can recognize trouble code if no parameters? It's impossible. Look at this. Trouble code. No trouble code. And will no trouble code.